Introducing Miss Anna, working as a marketing head in a reputed MNC in Cleburne, TX. She had to travel daily for office work purpose, but due to overcrowded public transport she was feeling quite exhausted. So, she was looking for a comfortable ride that helps her to reach her destination on time. Meanwhile, one of her friends shared his experience with Texas Yellow Cab and AMP Checker taxi service. Scrolling down the internet, she found that it is a leading yellow taxi service provider in Texas famous for offering 24/7 door-to-door prompt transportation at affordable fare. Their fleet of vehicles are fully air-conditioned, clean and sanitized after every ride. They have a team of trained, experienced drivers who always follow the best shortcut routes to reach destination in time. So, without hesitating further, she immediately booked a yellow taxi ride from there. And enjoyed safe and comfortable trip. Are you looking for the same? Book your yellow taxi ride now. Their taxi booking process is simple. Just dial 817-881-6863 or send an email at contact@bigtexascabs.com to share your requirements. For more details browse through https://bigtexascabs.com/